Hey guys, welcome back to RovitaS with a super healthy video of protein rich breakfast, green gram pancakes or Moong Dal Cheela with paneer stuffing. For this protein packed recipe you need whole or split moong dal soaked overnight, finely chopped onion, coriander, salt, clarified butter or ghee, paneer or cottage cheese, 1 inch ginger, 2 green chilies and eno. Add ginger, green chili and soaked moong dal into a grinding jar and make it into a fine paste. Now add chopped onion and coriander to the paste and mix well. Add some salt as per your taste. Now add half a teaspoon eno to make the pancake soft and fluffy. Add some water. Mix well to get a batter of semi-flowing consistency. Now grease the pan and pour some batter. Spread it to form a thin and round cheela. Cover and cook for a minute. Flip and cook from both the sides till brown and crispy. Grate paneer over half the pancake and fold it over. Have it with Green Coriander Chutney, the recipe link for which is given in the description box below. So please subscribe to our channel for many more upcoming videos and like and share this healthy recipe with everyone you care for. Till then, live the life you love and stay happy.